Hello students, I would like to show this video. This video will demonstrate how to do your assessment 3 hosted to Site VPN. Okay, I will start from Genesis 3. Okay, Genesis 3. According to this topology, we need to draw this. So I want to do add one routers and add one switch and we need to add one virtual machines. Now we need to do the cabling. First Ethernet 0 and to this computer, and first Ethernet 1 and to this router. To this switch. Now what we need to do, we are going to mapping the IP address, each interface. So this IP address, this IP address, that IP address. We are going to mapping. That is your step 1, okay? So now I will power on. Okay, virtual machine is running. It will take some time. In the meantime, I would like to set up the router first then. Double click. You need to read about this all the guide. That's your first step, okay? Alright, now enable configuration terminal. I hope you guys are all already familiar with this very basic command line. Today we will use this command lines, that one, this, and all of this. Before you jump on the setup the routers, please understand what those command line means, okay? So when you have a look at your assessment guide, you will see some descriptions like this: enable AAA, create a local username, create a ISA KMP, create a group name and DHCP, something like this. So please understand what you are doing, all right? All right, now I'm going to directly set up. Actually, I'm not going to type all this command line, but I really recommend please type all the command line by line, okay? Because you guys are running at the moment. But this video is just like a demonstrations. So I would like to save a really bit of time, and I will show you the step-by-step thing in the classroom, okay? So for now, I will copy and paste this old command line. Copy. And I will just simply paste to here. Paste. So as you can see, all command line is correctly installed. If you want, you can follow my method, but please at least 2 times you should exercise typing all the command line by line because you guys are running. Okay? All right. Now I want to do connection test from this interface to that interface because we just set up these routers. Let's just say find the interface fast Ethernet 0 and 0, fast Ethernet 1 and 0. 0/0 has this IP address. Fast Ethernet 0/1 has this IP address, which means this interface has 200.200.200.1, and this fast Ethernet 0/1, this interface has 10.10.10.1/24, of course. So if we set up the system, set up the interface correctly, the ping should work. Ping 200.200.200.1 work good. Ping 10.10.10.1. Okay, this router is correctly set, right? When I tap the show run, you will see these settings and double check you correctly set up your router setting. Okay. Okay, this look good. Apps, settings, interface also good. Pool setup also good. Alright, looks very nice. Now, currently we set up this router by typing all these command lines. Right? And today we did all the set. Now we need to set up this host. We need to give them, we need to assign some IP address. Okay. Right click. Detail. Sorry. You will connect double click this and IP version 4. I already did this, but if you haven't done this yet, then click static IP address and make sure this IP address 200.200.200.20, and your subnet mask is class C default, which means /24 is 255.255.255.0. And don't forget your default gateway. I still find so many students, they didn't understand what is default gateway. Default gateway is your entrance for your network. For this network or this computer, the entrance is here, these routers and the fast Ethernet 0/0. So this entrance is the default gateway for this network. You understand now? Oh, okay, I will type that again. 200, 200, 220, yeah, class C. 200, 200, 200, and 1. 1. Click OK. OK. Now we will have a look the IP address. As you can see, it correctly set up. This host has this IP address. Then let's do the ping test from here to this router and this interface. 200, 200, 200, 1. working really perfectly. Very nice. If you can see this window and if you can see this result, that means you did the IP mapping in very good way. It's working. Now we need to install this VPN client. Okay, I will delete this first because I want to show you how to install the VPN client. When you double click it and unzip it, click OK. Then it will ask you permission. Yes. Prepare to install. Yeah, I have the error message because I already installed, right? Alright, I'm gonna delete. I will uninstall this software first. And I will show you how to install this software. Cisco VPN client. Yeah, in the future, don't ask me. Delete. Yes. It will take some time, like 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, it's deleted. Let's install again. Yes. When you see this message, you will click next and accept. Next. Don't worry about keep going next. Next. Now you are installing. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. It depends on your computer performance. All right. Almost done. All right, finished. You must restart your system for configuration change mode. Okay, then I think we need to restart this computer. Yes, restart. In the meantime, I would like to show you one more time what you need to type in this router, okay? You need to type all this command line, all of them. So here's the setting. Enable configuration terminal and change the host name. And the host name is Sydney routers. And no IP domain lookup, and we enable AAA, and we specify we will use local user and password when we authenticate the users. And you also created some groups, and the username and password is this. Username ACBC, password A, uppercase A, CBC 123, and exclamation mark, and this mark, yeah. And you will enable crop talk, ISA, KMP, and give them policy number. and specify encryptions. What kind of encryption method you will use. In this case, we declared 3 des encryption method, and etc. 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 Okay. You will type all this command line by line. Okay. So I hope the window is restarted now. Alright, very good. Now it's all reset. Before we move on, the VPN client, I want to double check we have correct IP address or not. IP version 4, yes, it's still correct IP address. Very nice. All program VPN client, that one, send it to desktop. So I don't need to go this way anymore, right? Because I sent the shortcut here. Now, you need to run this. Okay, click New. Connection entry, you will type some informations, or like you will give some name for this VPN name, VPN connection name. So you can give whatever your name, but I will follow our guide. Our guide said this is Sydney VPN router. See? So Sydney router VPN. VPN. And descriptions, you can give the descriptions, or you can skip that too, but give them a description. It's good. VPN connections to Sydney LAN, because we are going to connect this network. After this switch, there is the inside network, right? When we add more computer here, this is inside, very secure network. This is your outside network. So the outside guy, they usually cannot join in this network, but through the VPN, you can join to in this secure LAN. Host, it's your VPN setup IP address, so should be that one. So 200 dot 200 dot 200.1. Now group informations. You typed it here. You set up like this. So when you try to connect VPN using VPN, you need to give the group name. The group name is 3000 client, CLIENT. Password is here, key, Cisco 123. Now you will say save. And double click it, and it will ask your login password now. This password is local local router login password, which means this. So username ACBC. Password should be uppercase A, CBC, 123, and the exclamation, this mark, exclamation mark, maybe, and click OK. It looks like connected. How do I know? If you can see, when you move on the mouse on this little icon, you can see the state. It says VPN client connected. Oh, again, see, connected. If you said like this, connected, and you're connected, and also you can see the time counter too. But we need to check the VPN connections through this router too, right? There's a command line to test your VPN connections. Here, the first one is show crypto ISA KMPSA, right? Pause it, enter. Yeah, destination is this, source is here, and currently active. Good. Now, the one. Okay. As you can see, have a look here. Packets, decryption packets, verified packet, encrypted packet. See? And one more thing. You can see the which interface has configured as the VPN interface. All right, very good. If you followed me up to here, you completely finished your assessment. I didn't type the all command line deliberately, but as I already mentioned, please type your command line, don't follow my method. Copy and paste, you can do this in the future. But today I just show you how to do this assessment. Alright, I hope my video is really helpful for you. And tomorrow I will show you, in the class, I will show you this again. But in the class, I will actually type all the command line by line. Okay? Right. Then I would like to finish this video here, and I will see you tomorrow.